Could you share some details about the HVAC issues you were experiencing before contacting us?
Sure. So we bought the home about 2 years ago, and the previous owner put in a new HVAC system right around the time she was selling it. The company who installed the system at that time put in ultimately what ended up being a grossly undersized unit. And so that was causing significant issues with us being able to heat and cool the home. And so like we used to use a Nest system so we could see how long the units were running and so forth. And it wasn't uncommon during the colder snaps we would have where our heater was running for 22, 23 hours a day. And there were a lot of days during the especially colder months or periods where it wasn't able to keep up. And we would try to set it to a certain temperature and it never could get the house there. And so you could go and put your hand over the vents and you would barely feel anything coming out. And we had them come out multiple times to try to correct it, fix it. I did my own research, and what I found was that it was not the right system for the square footage we have. And I would ask them about that, and the answer I would always get was, no, this is just the way the new high energy efficiency systems run nowadays. They just don't blow very hard. Well, you're the expert, I have to take your opinion for it. And I just thought and it finally got to the point where I just thought this is stupid. For my furnace to run 23 hours a day and still not be able to keep up and our home be cold. I said, there's just I can't keep doing this. So I had used you guys previously at the home we were in before for about 10 years. You guys always did a great job. So I said, hey, let's call Dayco. They'll be able to come out. And if nothing else, they'll be able to confirm, yes, this is, how these systems run. So you guys came out, I had another company come out, and both of you said, I don't know who put this in, how they put it in. No, this isn't the way it should be. And so since then, everything's been great. It's been night and day.